Welcome back, traders and investors, to the beginner's guide on how to use moving averages like a pro on Barchart.com. Want to know when a stock is quietly turning the corner or losing steam before it crashes? The new moving average filters on Barchart screeners can help you spot momentum shifts before big moves happen. In this video, we'll walk you through what these new filters mean, how to use moving averages to find winning trades, and how to set them up with custom views, chart templates, and get trade alerts to stay ahead of the market. Let's dive in. As always, let's start by taking a look at Barchart's disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Let's start with the basics. Moving averages help smooth out price action to identify trends over time. We'll cover two of the most common types, which are moving averages, which averages all closing prices evenly over a set time, and exponential moving averages, which gives more weight to recent prices, which makes it react faster to trend changes. So EMAs are great for short-term momentum signals, while moving averages help with spotting longer-term trends. But the real power of moving averages is spotting when a trend is building or breaking down. Now, let's head over to the Stocks tab to open up the Stock Screener to start filtering for trades based on moving averages. At the top, you can select to filter by exchanges like New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, or OTC stocks. You can also load saved screeners from the past or use Barchart's pre-built screener templates based on various strategies to get started fast. Now let's build our own from scratch. We're going to use the search bar and drop-down menus to begin adding key filters. Let's start with moving averages in the search bar. This gives us a list of short-term and long-term moving averages to choose from, including exponential moving averages. You can select the ones you prefer to add them as filters. Next, we add slope of moving averages, which will be the focus of this tutorial. Moving average percent change, this helps us analyze the trend's slope and direction. To speed this process up, we'll add a save screener, which features these new moving average filters instantly. In the screener, we've added moving average signals and moving average percent change. This will allow us to find bullish setups by setting the signal to buy. Now, let's talk about these slope filters, one of the most powerful new features. The MA and EMA percent change filters tell you whether the average is sloping up or down. A value above 0 means the slope is rising. A value below 0 means it's declining. For this example, we set the 20, 50, 100, and 200-day moving averages to positive slopes. This will allow us to focus only on stocks that are building momentum across the board. We can also add additional filters like market cap to find larger companies. And we can add volume to focus on the most active stocks. So when we're done adding filters, we can then click See Results. Once here, sort the list by your preferred column to explore stocks that fit our exact strategy of bullish signals and positive slopes filtered in seconds. Now, let's visualize these trades and click on Flipcharts to analyze the price action. Once we're here, we can head to the top right of the toolbar and click Templates. This is where we can select custom chart templates or one pre-made by Barchart. We'll select a template that features the moving averages from our screener filters. Once added, you'll see Comparative Relative Strength indicator, which is used to compare a security against an index or another security using moving averages. We'll also see the 20, 50, 100, and 200-day moving averages on the chart. Use the ribbon at the top or the arrows on the side to scan through your filtered symbols. What we'll notice on these charts are stocks trending upward with a positive slope on their moving averages. Now, if you found a stock you like, use the toolbar on the side to add it to a watch list, set price alerts, or explore more data. Heading back to the screener, let's click on the Filters tab to switch our strategy to find more bearish setups. We'll change the moving average signals from buy to sell and switch from positive to negative slopes, less than 0. Once done, click See Results. Instantly, you'll see a full list of bearish signals and negative slopes. We can then sort the list by preference and click on Flipcharts to visualize these trades. Once here, let's go back to our templates to add Barchart's chart template that includes all these moving averages from our screener. The difference we'll see here is that these charts are showing stocks with negative downward sloping trends for bearish trade setups or potential reversals. When we go back to the screener, if you want to add these same filters in the future or set up email alerts, click Save Screener. If you like your results and want to track these trades, click Save as a watch list. Now let's head back over to the Stock tab where we can find new trades based on moving average signals on the new recommendations page. Here, you'll find bullish and bearish trade signals based on trend seeker, short-term and long-term moving averages, plus crossover strategies. So use these as a launch pad to dig deeper into screening for more opportunities based on moving averages. If you ever need any more knowledge, click on the tutorials to watch a video, the help button for more descriptions, and explore the Learn tab for more educational content and resources. Moving averages are one of the most trusted indicators in trading. And now, with these new tools on Barchart, you can use them more effectively than ever. So go build screeners that focus on real price trends, filter out sideways noise, and stay ahead of the market with alerts, templates, and watch lists. If this video helped you level up your strategy today, give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more pro-level tools on Barchart.com.